would like to present how an innovative finance approach successful to realize 27 megawatt project in the emerging market. And I would like to have some basic information about ecoligo. So ecoligo is a global energy as a service provider founded in 2016. And our headquarters in Berlin, Germany. We are active in 7 countries, in Ghana, Kenya, Costa Rica, Chile, Vietnam, and Thailand as well. So we are focused on in Africa, in Southern Africa, Central America, South America, and South Asia. So we now have 26 employees. Yeah, of course, 50% female and male. You see, quite balanced. And we have a track record with 74 projects with 27 megawatt being installed and installed at the moment. So what we are doing, we have the business owner to reduce their raising energy costs and stay a leader in their market. So we this is what we are doing. So we supply the energy as a service. So we call energy as a service contract. So what we are doing here, so fully finance at one top shop. So what does this mean? We have the capital raise platform called ecoligo investment. So where we collect, where we get the investment from the investor in Germany or in Europe. And we have the qualified engineering process, so where we evaluate the equipment, material with high quality, and we also have the qualified good EPC or contractor partner in the countries to install or contract the project. And we also have the expertise to operate and maintain the system, the project. Also, the insurance is included in the system. So what we provide to the customer, we invest the energy system, including solar efficiency, or solar hot water, and supply the energy to the client with a cheaper compared to the utility cost or the government utility company. So after finish the contract, we will hand over the system to the off-taker or the client with free of charge, and we just do the O&M maintenance if required by the clients. So the contract will be various from 2 years to 20 years, depend on the requirement of the clients. And why the energy as a service work? So we save the capital for investment in the client in their core business, so they don't spend the up payment. So without zero payment, they can have the system, the energy system work and supply to their business. The payment to ecoligo make the business an owner of the system over time. And ecoligo select a qualified EPC partner contractor to build the project to make sure that the project is classed as designed. And we supply the cheaper, the clean energy to the business owner from day one. So from day one, they can realize the saving from the system and avoid getting the distract by maintenance operation by the client. So they just focus on their investment, they focus on their time to their core business, and the rest we operate and maintain the project. So in the solar PV solar system, so we are focused on the commercial and industry, with either like the office building or the hotel and resources, or the agriculture farm, rivals hospital and university, or the main focus will be the manufacturing, which consume a lot energy. We not focus on the large scale or the household in the rural areas. This is not our scope of business. So what we are offering, we are focused on the solar PV project to supply the clean energy to the client with the contract type, like we can provide a leasing contract, or we can provide a power purchase agreement. The contract can be from various from 2 years to 20 years. So we can have the fixed pricing for the purchase agreement, or we can have like blotting according to the utility pricing. We also offer the LED system for lease contract from 2 to 10 years with a fixed monthly payment. So the customer and also the efficiency air conditioner system with the leasing contract from 2 to 10 years, and solar hot waters with the same leasing contract for 2 to 10 years. So basically, we are getting the full financial service to build a project for this for focus business. So how is our business look like? We receive the fund, the capital from the investor, from individual and also the senior lender investor in Germany and Europe via our platform called ecoligo investment. So each person in Germany or Europe can invest from 50 euro to 25 euro per project through our platform. Then we use that capital to build the project like solar system or LED system or solar hot water system in the emerging market. And we supply the green energy, green electricity to the business owner, to the clients. Then we receive the payment for lease or the power purchase agreement paid to ecoligo, and we use that to pay to our investor in Europe and in Germany. We started 2016 in Berlin, and we built the first project in 2017 in Ghana. Then we jumped to the Kenya, Costa Rica, and Vietnam, Thailand, Chile. So now we active in 7 countries with 27 megawatt rooftop solar and some other solar hot water project. In project track record globally, so we have in the region where we active in at the moment in Vietnam, we have 23 projects. We have 1 project in Thailand, which is in Bangkok, and Kenya we have 17 projects. So our focus, South Asia is one of the focus region for ecoligo to make the transition, energy transition in the region, and Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines will be our next target country. Yeah, so I think this is very quick one over on what we are doing. So basically, in summary, we are the financial fully financial provider which invest the project where you have very high energy cost, and also the cost of the capital is quite high. Like the interest from the bank like take from like 10%, 8% per year. So we have the investor where they want to spend their money in the renewable, in the clean energy project from Europe, and we use that capital to invest in the emerging market to make sure that we have the reduce the CO2, we make our globe is better.